Graduating seniors at VCU learned tonight they won't be able to walk across the stage.
Well, as you know by now, spring graduation ceremonies probably won't be happening in many high schools and colleges.
With classes canceled now, high school seniors.
Senior year of high school. It's a time when many build memories.
Dear class of 2020, we've had it rough. We came in right after 9/11 when the country was in shock and when we were vulnerable. Now it's our senior year. Because of a virus, it's being stripped from us. Take a trip back with me. The year is 2007. You wake up and you start your first day of your school life. We walk into kindergarten extremely nervous, not wanting to leave our parents' arms. Little did we know we were starting the most vital 12 years of our entire lives. Over the next 12 years, we would be tested. We would learn to spell. We would learn to share with others. We would learn to love. We'd learn how to act around other people. We'd learn the stupid quadratic formula. And most of all, we'd make friends. Some friends would last a lifetime, while others would last no more than a year. I still remember my first day of freshman year. I was on the home stretch. 4 more years and we would finally be done and be living in the real world. I was looking forward to so much in high school. Homecomings, proms, memories to be made, new friendships to begin, and old ones to fade. One of my favorite memories is watching the other seniors move on to bigger things in life, watching the graduation ceremonies and experiencing their last day with them. More than anything, I was looking forward to our graduation ceremony. My whole family would be there to watch me. My teachers would see me walk down the aisle and tell me they knew I could do it. My mom and dad telling me how proud they were of me as I walk across that stage, shake hands with faculty, and receive my diploma. Sadly, for the class of 2020, this is not our reality anymore. Because of COVID-19, we've had a lot of these final memories stripped from us. Thanks to the video production team at Drone Inspiration and Essential Aesthetics for providing a solution for us seniors to cherish and celebrate one of the most memorable times of our lives. A pre-recorded interactive graduation ceremony that we can enjoy and attend from the comfort of our homes with family and friends via live stream. For the first time ever, we get to be as rowdy as we want. We get to sit anywhere we want. We get to yell, cheer, and talk to our fellow classmates during the ceremony via the chat. We get to dance across our home stage or have fireworks celebration in our backyard when our name is called. We have looked forward to this day. We have worked hard. We deserve it. There is no need to cancel or postpone it. Thank you, Drone Inspiration and Essential Aesthetics, for providing a solution. Class of 2020, hear me one more time. We are strong.